Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by securing your data and clearing anything that could corrupt graphs. First, archive important programs and lists using TI Connect or by transferring via USB. This prevents accidental loss. Next, remove stray variables and lists in the stat editor and clear y equals entries that conflict. If graphs still misbehave, perform a RAM reset. Make sure to choose Reset RAM, not OS, because that clears settings that commonly break plotting without reinstalling the operating system. Now inspect the graphing configuration and the functions themselves. Open y equals and ensure each equation is correctly entered and not prefixed with a comment symbol or accidentally disabled. Small typos change the plot. Adjust window values to frame the data. Set xmin/xmax and immin/imax so the curve lies inside view, and choose sensible scales like XSCL1, ISCL1. Also verify mode. Set to function or parametric as needed, real numbers, and correct angle units, because wrong modes silence expected graphs. Finish by testing and fixing remaining issues through tracing and recomputation. Press graph to redraw, then trace to move along the curve. If parts vanish, use zoom, then zoom fit to auto-scale. For slow or choppy rendering, disable unnecessary plots or simplify functions so the processor completes draws. This often resolves apparent blanks. If graphs still fail after resets and mode checks, reinstall the OS with TI Connect or reach out to TI support. One key tip: always test with a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.